Welcome to the CyberPower Terra system setting tutorial for managers. In this video, managers will learn how to perform initial setup, which includes setting up the sites, data loggers, inverters, site maps, and alarm recipients. Through initial setup, managers will be able to edit the site information, add data loggers, edit inverter information, add site maps, and manage the alarm recipients of the system. After the administrator adds a site to the system and assigns a manager, the manager is authorized to edit the site. Click Menu to open the menu panel, and under Authorization, select Site. Select the site that you would like to edit, then click Edit. The edit window will appear. Enter the preferred site name. Select the country the site is located in. Enter the address of the site. Select the build date and time zone of the site. Enter the feed-in tariffs. And select the currency for calculating the electricity fee. Enter the latitude and longitude of the site. Manager can also upload a logo for this site, which will be displayed on the top left corner of the site page, for easy identification. Click Save to save the information, and close the edit window. After a site is added to the system, managers can add data loggers to the site for collecting the energy information. First, use the Power Device Network utility to find the IP address of the Solar Data Logger. Click the IP address to open the Solar Data Logger web interface. You can also navigate to the Solar Data Logger web interface by entering the IP address of the data logger to the address bar of your browser. Enter the name and password to log in. A pop-up window will appear, displaying the key and MAC address of the data logger. Or, you can find them by clicking System. In addition, you can view the information of the connected inverters by clicking Device. To view the power meter information, click Power Meter. Then, go to the Terra system, click Menu to open the menu panel, and under Equipment, select Data Logger List. Click Add to add the data logger. In the Basic Info section, select the category, vendor, and model from the drop-down list. Name the data logger. Copy and paste the data logger's key and MAC address. Select the site of the data logger. If necessary, enter the installation date, warranty expiration date, and replacement date of the data logger for future reference. Click Save to add the data logger to the site. The data logger will be added and displayed in the data logger list. After a data logger is added to the site, the inverters that are connected to it will be added to the site as well, and managers can edit the information of the inverters. Click Menu to open the menu panel, and under Equipment, select Inverter List. Select the inverter that you would like to edit, then click Edit. Basic information, such as category, vendor, model code, and so on, are built by the system and cannot be modified. Enter the inverter name. If necessary, enter the installation date, warranty expiration date, and replacement date of the inverter for future reference. Click Save to save the information. Managers can add a map to the site and place the inverters in the map for easily viewing the placement and status of the inverters. Click Menu to open the menu panel, and select Inverter Info Setting. Click Add to add a new map. In the Info panel, select the site of the new map. The inverters of the selected site will be displayed below. Name the map and set the refresh time for data reload. Click Background to upload the map. Select the map file and click Upload. If the map does not fit the layout, click Layout Size to adjust the layout size. And click Save. Drag and drop the inverter to the corresponding place in the map. Click Save. A dialog box will pop up, showing the map is successfully saved in the system. Click OK to close the dialog box, and finish the setting. Managers can assign the alarm recipients, who will receive the email notifications when an event occurs. Click Menu to open the menu panel, and under Alarm, select Recipient. Select the group whose accounts you would like to manage the recipients. The included accounts will be displayed in the below table. The accounts, displayed in the assigned table, are the recipients of the alarm notifications. To remove an account from the assigned table, select the account, and click the arrow button, to move it to the unassigned table, and vice versa. Now, the initial setup is complete.